Matter on Earth is always traveling through cycles. Water is one of these types of matter. Today we'll be learning the steps in the water cycle. The Earth has a limited supply of water, and the water is stored in different places in the water cycle. Let's start with the water that's stored in lakes, rivers, and oceans. This water is heated up by the sun and turned into vapor or steam, as can be seen in this picture, in a process called evaporation. The steam goes into the air and we start into the next step of the cycle. After the water is evaporated, the water vapors get cold again as they rise, and they come together in the next stage of the water cycle in a process called condensation. These water vapors that are condensed together from the cold come together to form clouds. This is where the water is. The next step in the water cycle is precipitation. This occurs after there is so much condensed water stored in the clouds that they get too heavy and the water falls back down to the earth. Water in the precipitation stage of the cycle is stored in many different forms, some of which include snow, rain. As water falls to the earth in the precipitation stage, it is stored in the last step of the water cycle. Here we start the cycle over again. It just keeps repeating. Water is always going through the different processes of the water cycle: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection.